Hello everyone, my name is Brent Parker, and today I'll be discussing two critical frameworks in organizational management: systems thinking and the competing values framework, or CVF. Together, these frameworks provide insights into creating resilient, adaptive, and learning driven organizations. Let's dive in. Here's a quick look at the agenda for our discussion. We'll start by understanding what systems thinking is and explore its concepts. Then we'll look at the competing values framework and how it helps diagnose and shape organizational culture. Finally, we'll explore how these frameworks work together to build more effective organizations and summarize the key takeaways. To start, let's define systems thinking. According to Peter Sinch, systems thinking is an approach that views an organization as a whole system composed of interconnected parts. By understanding these interconnections, we can reveal hidden patterns and relationships that might otherwise be overlooked. Sinch famously said, "Today's problems come from yesterday's solutions." This quote captures the essence of systems thinking. Our actions today influence future challenges, and understanding those links can help us make better decisions. There are a few core concepts within systems thinking that make it valuable in organizational contexts. First, we have feedback loops, which are essential for understanding how certain actions or changes affect other parts of the system over time. Then there are mental models, which refer to the deeply ingrained assumptions we carry and which shape how we see the world. Lastly, leverage points are placed within a complex system, where a small shift can create significant changes. Identifying these points can be a powerful strategy in driving meaningful improvements. Now let's turn to the Competing Values Framework, or CVF, developed by Cameron and Quinn. This model provides a way to understand and diagnose organizational culture. It focuses on four main types of organizational culture: clan, adhocracy, market, and hierarchy. These four cultural types are organized along two main dimensions: internal versus external focus, and flexibility versus stability. By evaluating an organization on these dimensions, leaders can better understand their existing culture and make adjustments to support their strategic goals. The CVF's four quadrants, clan, adhocracy, market, and hierarchy, each represent a unique type of organizational culture. Clan culture emphasizes collaboration, shared values, and a sense of community. Adhocracy culture prioritizes innovation and creativity, encouraging adaptability. Market culture is competitive and result driven, focusing on external positioning. Hierarchy culture values stability, efficiency, and structured processes. Understanding these different cultures allows leaders to identify their current strengths and areas for growth. Applying systems thinking within the context of CVF helps organizations leverage feedback loops and cultural strengths to achieve their goals. For example, in a hierarchy culture, systems thinking can establish feedback loops that improve efficiency and control. In clan culture, feedback loops focused on relational dynamics can strengthen community ties. For an adhocracy culture, systems thinking encourages exploration of new ideas and adaptability. Lastly, in market culture, feedback often focuses on external market dynamics, keeping the organization competitive. By combining systems thinking with the CVF, leaders can make more informed decisions about where to focus their efforts and drive positive change. There are several key benefits to integrating systems thinking with CVF. Enhanced adaptability. Systems thinking allows organizations to anticipate and respond to changes effectively. Cultural alignment. The CVF provides a framework to shape culture in alignment with strategic goals, making sure that every part of the organization works towards a common purpose. Sustainable growth. By leveraging these frameworks, together organizations can create a resilient foundation for long-term success and innovation. To wrap up, I want to emphasize a few key points. Systems thinking provides a lens to view complex, interconnected issues within organizations. Meanwhile, the CVF offers a structured way to understand and shape organizational culture. By using these tools together, leaders can create more adaptable, aligned, and sustainable organizations. I hope this presentation has sparked some ideas on how the frameworks might apply in your own work or studies. Thank you for your attention. Included on this slide are the sources which I have referenced. Again, I am Brent Parker of Resilience Repurposed, and I'd like to thank you for your time and invite you to have an open discussion with whatever questions you might have. Thanks.